How to disable chat filter in Roblox. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a quick and easy way to disable chat filters in Roblox. Let's just jump right in. Open up Roblox application on your device. You can do this on both your PC or mobile phone, doesn't matter which device you're using. I'll just continue on here on my application on phone. Once you have opened it up, tap on the More section at the bottom right. Then go ahead and find Settings menu from here. Tap on it. From Settings, go to Account Info. So you need to be verified of your account here, whether it's from a phone number verification, email verification, or it could be your age verification. So you can continue on with a selfie or continue with ID for age verification. Now, once you tap on any one of them, it will send you a verification code on your email, which you can use to verify. So let me just quickly copy the code. So I'll just type it in here and then tap on verify. Once that is done, you can tap on continue on browser for your age check. So if you're continuing with the selfie verification, you need to find a good lighting to take a selfie, and your photo is only used for an age check. If it's with an ID, you just have to click pictures of your valid government issued ID. Once you have checked your age group, then you can go ahead and go over to your settings with privacy and content restriction. Tap on it, and then you need to find your experience chat. Go to communication, go to experience chat, and then make sure it's selected to everyone, and direct chat is also selected to everyone. Then you need to go back, go to content maturity, and here you can move it to restricted. So you need to verify your age with an ID for this. You can do minimal all the way up to moderate, and for restricted, it may contain um, more restricted stuff, so you need to be verified. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. Now you can easily disable chat filters like this. If you found it helpful, like the video below and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.